In California, a woman was caught on camera attempting to break into a home while apparently sleepwalking. She forces the handle and even attempts to break the window.
What is going on? What is going on? I will shoot! I have a gun! Why? What are you doing?
The homeowner, Kathleen, was terrified and called the police.
A crazy person in my house. I don't know what's going on.
When an officer arrived, the woman was still attempting to break in.
Hey,
Hi.
do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
She was taken in for evaluation and identified as 30-year-old Lily. She claimed in her dream she was locked out of her own home and was just trying to get back in. She was arrested and later sentenced as her behavior was inexcusable. Late at night, two sisters returned home to pick up a sleeping bag for a sleepover. However, when they returned, they noticed something strange across the road. A shopping cart, stuffed to the brim with creepy-looking dolls. Their curiosity didn't last long. They ran inside clearly spooked. That's when their doorbell camera caught this.
We just need to go in and get your sleep. Alright. Shut up. Hurry up, hurry up.
I don't go to your house and mess with your shit, so don't mess with mine.
Turns out, the dolls belonged to a strange, scary woman. She walked right in the front door and yelled at the girls with a doll on a stick in her hand. While the woman was present, a shadow flickered in the hallway, a weird black mass. It also appeared outside in the front yard. It could have been a cat, but it does look very strange and fast for a cat. A haunting video caught on doorbell camera that no one would have believed if it wasn't recorded. In 2021, November, a woman from Dallas showed a video of a man clearly stalking her late at night. She said the man had shown up every single night for almost a month. Desperate, she posted it online. The authorities had failed to keep the man away and help her. She posted multiple recordings. Take a look at this haunting doorbell footage. In one clip, he's seen with a beer in his hand. He's unsteady, clearly intoxicated, and tries the handle. Later, she posted an update. She said she was now safe due to family, friends, and frequent security patrols. Her internet post had finally brought her some peace and safety. A mother and daughter rushed inside after a strange encounter. Followed by a strange man. But the man wasn't the only strange thing caught on their doorbell camera.
This Ring camera footage, and I don't understand how I didn't see this, because this is ridiculous.
Most missed it. In the background, watch closely.
I just called the police. Get out front of my door. This is the last time I'm gonna tell you. Get out front of my door right now. The police on the way. Go!
She only noticed it when she rewatched the video. The door to apartment number 23 seemingly opened on its own and closed. But that wasn't even the worst part. It only got more disturbing.
In the 3 years that I've lived here, I have never seen this door come open. Ever. Like, can't. But in the video, you saw the door just came open. Who opened the door? Like, look at that. Like, pitch black. Like, make it make sense. Like, how? How? I don't know. That don't make sense.
The door had been locked for years, but opened on its own. But this was only the beginning. A truly disturbing truth would be uncovered. Jasmine contacted management and requested that they open the door. That's when everything would take a turn for the worse.
Property management sent somebody up to come take a look, so I'm gonna let him do what he do, and I'm gonna stay back here. You say the light works? Y'all, he said the light works. Oh, Lord. What is that? He's holding. Y'all. What the hell is going on? Y'all see all these little kids? They have put kids' shoes up in there. What the? So how did? So hold on, because no, this other day that the door came open when I was in here. So if the door came open, like, Nah, I'm sorry, I'm not. Okay, y'all. So remember that thing? I thought it was a snake. I really thought it was some plastic, but y'all, I'm not gonna get close to this. This is real snake skin. Oh my God. Look at this. You can see like, ooh. Oh my God. Look at that.
Behind the door was a mountain of children's shoes. Jasmine stated that this could point to something far darker and serious: potential missing children. When she looked back on the video later, she noticed something. Amongst the shoes was a pair of her daughter's shoes.
With the property manager guy, right? And I noticed something in them pile of shoes. Those frozen Elsa boots, whatever you want to call it, those boots are my daughter's. Like, I'm gonna show y'all a picture that me and my daughter took, like, I want to say like 2 months ago. Yo, this is crazy because I really thought she just lost them at school. Those shoes belong to my daughter.
Jasmine was terrified and shocked. When she asked management, she was told that the room hadn't been used for years. Someone had access to the room. Someone was using the room to stash stolen children's shoes in. Shortly after posting, her Ring camera was stolen. Jasmine decided to set a trap. She put some children's boots out and set up a new hidden camera. The first 2 nights, nothing much happened. But on the third night, something strange occurred. One of the boots suddenly jumped on its own. Her neighbor was visibly shocked. She later stated that she stepped outside after hearing what sounded like a child crying near her door. But when she checked, she realized the crying was coming from inside the same locked room. The camera didn't capture any sound, but the boot still moved. It was an unsettling experience that deeply shook Jasmine. There have been no further updates since her most recent post. The mystery remains, and all we can do is hope that Jasmine and her daughter are safe.